It's thunderstorming, I have wet hair, but I'm also going to Japan in 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm flying budget and what I'm packing to make sure that I have everything I need in a very small package. Approximately 7 kilograms, which is what Zipair requires, along with certain requirements for their luggage. It's a little better than Frontier and Spirit, but it's still not great. Let me show you. I am fully aware that my lighting is going to be terrible, and this sofa is also temporary, but as you see, I have all my stuff for Japan behind me. As for all these like little knickknacks and stuff, I'm going to have a video on all the things I take on my international travel, but let me show you this bag. For those of you on like traveling TikToks, you might have seen something similar, but essentially, this bag that I'm taking, my new favorite international travel bag, because I did just recently get a favorite local travel bag. If you want to watch that video, please do so. Is one that starts off as a garment bag and then folds up to create another bag. Thunder, thunder. If you guys hear that, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle. We're gonna pack this, and hopefully this video isn't complete trash. But if it is, it's okay. I gotta go to Japan, and those videos will be so much better. And if you guys don't know, I'm traveling to like 6 other countries this year, so stick around. So you guys have a perfect angle from the floor. Not really, but let's pretend that it is. I know that you are extremely lopsided sideways. When the bag is flattened out, it looks just like this. It is a long compartment here. You have a bunch of compartments here, small ones for other things, and you have your 2 flaps. On this side, as you see, you have a little pocket to put your shoes, and on this side, if you open it, it's just more storage. At the very top, you have another flap that goes along horizontally. However, we are not using this yet. To start off, at the very beginning, we're gonna open this up. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and not the thunder. Anyway, at the bottom, you have these 2 clips. I don't know how well you can see them, but these are used to make sure that whatever clothes you're keeping long ways, stay long ways. But you also have a little flap right here that is for when you put your little hanger in. I'm not going to be hanging anything because that requires weight. And remember, I have 7 kilograms, which if you guys don't know is like 15 pounds to take all my stuff for a week. Now for the long ways, I have a few dresses that I will be taking to Tokyo. I am going in September, but in order to make my life so much better in the heat, I am wearing dresses. So they're flowy, but they're also long and pretty, and you know, it's a personal thing. Leave me alone. Once we have all of our dresses, zip them right up, press them down, make sure all my flaps are in. Take this top flap, and there you go. It's almost as if there's nothing in there. If you didn't know that, I just put a bunch of stuff in there. So now, before we put in all of our knickknacks, which I will show you guys again in a different video, there are zippers on the sides. I'm going to take the zippers, and we are going to zip up this bag to turn it into a full-size one. This looks so much easier in the videos. The cool part about this specific bag, which will be linked down below, or in my Amazon storefront, is that at the very end of the zippers, there is a little buckle. And this just makes sure that your zippers don't unbuckle, because I found that a lot of people for the cheaper options of this type of bag had that problem a lot. And that was one thing that I could not be doing while traveling. Could you imagine your entire bag falling apart? And now I have a very normal duffel bag. At the front, as you see, it has these 2 Velcro spots. Don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I'm debating if I'm even going to use them. And of course, the 2 pockets I showed you. But at the same time, there is this, which you can zip up fully if you don't want it to be there. But it slides right on to the back of your luggage. I have my compression bags, which I will be linking down below once more. And we're going to put all my clothes into this. So I just packed 3 dresses. But in here, we have a pair of pajamas, 2 skirts, 2 t-shirts, leggings, another pair of pants, and I also am going to be packing another pair of leggings on top of this. And of course, we have the fit that I wear there. We are there for a week, so this makes it absolutely perfect, and I can always mix and match things if I need. But like I said, I am matching with my little brother. Buying anything else, I'd probably be a little bit worried until, of course, it's a up. And once, which again, almost as if I have nothing in here, grab this, and in it goes. And I still have all this space. But of course, this space is going to be for all of these little knickknacks. Gonna do all my research, make sure that my currencies are right, there's no typhoons, and everything's checked in, and I will see you guys in Japan. Just remember, I'm not a professional, just a middle child traveler on a budget, and I'm in Japan!